Welcome to Ask a Teacher, a new program where readers ask questions and teachers answer them. In English, we have a saying that goes, "Use it or lose it." It means that if you do not continue to use a skill, you might lose the ability to do so. We can say this about language learning, including learning new words. If you do not use the new words often, you might forget them. Our reader Benin has a question today. Here it is.
Hi. How can I improve my vocabulary?
Hello, Benin. Great question. The answer will help many English learners. Here are 4 things you can do. Read a lot. Look for news stories, websites, magazines, and books on subjects that you enjoy. While reading, try to guess the meanings of new words from their context. Then, you can check the meanings in a paper dictionary or online. If there are television shows or films that you love in English, watch them with English subtitles to learn new words and hear how we say them. But don't just read, write. A great way to practice what you read is to write about it. For example, if you read a web story about the best fitness apps of 2018, write about it. Another thing you can write about is what you did today. If you spent time with a friend or family member, went to an event, had a delicious meal, or did something else, write about it. Here's another great technique. When you learn a new word, learn its other forms. For example, the word sleepy is an adjective, but it has noun, verb, and adverb forms. You can make a word form chart in a notebook or wireless device and write a sentence example for each form. Another powerful memory tool is word association, using your imagination to create mental images linked to new words. For example, when I say tasty, what food image do you see in your mind? Keep that food image in your mind and always mentally connect it to the word tasty. Then, the next time you try to remember the word tasty, the mental image will appear. And that's Ask a Teacher. I'm Alice Bryant.
Do you have a question for Ask a Teacher? Write to us in the comments area. And be sure to tell us what country you are from.